Guys, so I want to do a review of this Hart Walmart Hart. This is a drill. What is this? This is the HPID01. This is Walmart's quote unquote professional brand of tools, and this is the one with the 20-volt battery. I want to tell you guys that I am satisfied with it. I am satisfied with it. I bought another Hart drill, the one with the highest RPM that they had, and this. If I had to choose between this and that drill, I would definitely choose this. Like if you guys were to choose, had a choice between this and the Hart drill, this will go through stuff, guys. This will go through stuff. Obviously, I don't know what the competitors as far as Home Depot is concerned. Ryobi, I'm not quite sure. But as far as the price range is concerned, you can't beat the price range on this. It beats the Ryobi price ranges at the Home Depot. You guys agree with me, definitely leave a comment in the comment section, give me a like and all that good stuff. Home Depot, a lot of the stuff is they're meant for professionals, and it's a little bit overpriced. And to be honest with you, I would go online if I was going to get in kind of Milwaukee DeWalt, Ryobi stuff, because the deals you get online on Amazon and eBay and all that stuff, they're just a lot better than what you see at retail at the Home Depot. But I get that a lot of people, when they're looking for tools, they actually need the tools right away. Then they don't have like a week or maybe 2 weeks to wait to get something delivered to them. I mean, these days, maybe even a couple of days. That's a longer wait than a lot of people have patience for, or they need to get the job done. But what do I have to say about this? This doesn't have as much of a brand name as the other brands at the Home Depot, and hasn't been around. I think Hart's only been around for a couple years, I think. So it doesn't have like a history of dependability and stuff like that. But I really don't have an issue. I've had this drill. It's actually a torque drill, but I've had this for like a couple years, and it's served me well as far as what it does with the drill, and I'm giving it a thumbs up. If you guys have this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe and all that good stuff. But I'm giving it a thumbs up. I think this is a pretty good buy for the price. I think it's at least maybe $40 cheaper than the Ryobi. And not only is it $40 cheaper than the Ryobi, but they give you a battery that comes with it, so you can't beat that. I mean, yeah, so anyway, if you guys have one of these, let me know. Leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe and all that good stuff. All right, take care, guys.